Good afternoon, teacher and chance mate. This video events effects in the technology industry. Effects. My name is Luis Alberto Castillo Gutierrez. Events the prime industry technology. As an engineering student, I believe that technological advance in the industry. I am not in the specific. I am research and the result is more negative about teach management. Sometimes inappropriate can negative effect in the ecosystem. Evidence effect in the ecosystem. Claims change. I think that currently they there is a company that not execute action or programs and mitigate clients change and apply it in the process in and technology and research here. Climate change is being accelerated to the greenhouse effect in the planet. Events affecting in the planet. Green policies. I believe that it's necessary in skills implement environment action and policies at global levels without the organization what sustainable environmental policies improves quality in the improves in environment and clients in policies change the work. Current events river water effects in the contamination.